Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. In this video, I am kicking off my 2025 summer tropical vibes season. Yes, aside from Christmas, summer is my favorite. I love doing tropical. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my summer must-haves in order to pull off a tropical theme in your home. Unless you're like my daughter. My daughter is like, I don't want anything tropical in my house. But for me, for the summertime, I like everything tropical. So let's get started on the entryway. So starting with the entryway table, it's a Wayfair find. The beautiful oversized lanterns, these are from At Home, as well as the candle holders. These beautiful vases here are from Zgallerie. They gifted me those from a collaboration over on Instagram. These gold picks here are actually from Pier 1 several years ago. The wall art is actually from At Home. And the actual picture light at the top is from Amazon. The elephant candle is a Thomas Ferrier candle. The flamingo it's actually a bank, if you notice. It's a little coin bank. It's actually from Zgallerie. I've had that for several years. And here's another oversized candle holder over here. And I have a end table from TOV. And if I step back, you're going to see two runners. I love the runner so much. I wanted a long runner, but I couldn't find this exact runner long, so I actually purchased two, and I just overlapped them. You have to really be looking at that runner to tell that it's actually two runners, but it's actually two runners. So that sums up the entryway. Anything that's linkable, I will have down in the description box. So I'm going to pan on around over here to the fireplace area. Fireplace is from Wayfair. The mirror is from At Home. The floor vase here is actually from Wayfair. The chair is also from Wayfair. Pillow here from Zgallerie. The actual candle holders or tiara vases, these are actually from Zgallerie. They no longer sell those, unfortunately. However, these little picks here, these are from Zgallerie, and you can get your hands on these. And if I'm not mistaken, it's 3 in a set, and they may be on clearance right now. They come in gold, black, and white, and silver. But I'm not sure if they're all in stock, but I know you can get your hands on at least one of those colors. And this, I think this is a jackfruit. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is from Zgallerie. I've had that for several years. And you can actually take the top off of here. So you won't be able to get your hands on this. But pretty much everything else in the space you may be able to get your hands on. My lamps are from Zgallerie. They're on sale right now. I think they're like maybe 40% off. Maybe the silver ones are, but they are available. And then I have some Bath and Body Works pineapple candle holders here. All my candles are from Amazon. These pillows here, these I've had for several years. Also from Zgallerie. I don't think you'll be able to get your hands on these. However, you will be able to get your hands on this ball pillow, and I will have it linked. My sofa is available from Wayfair. I will have that link as well. It's a TOV sofa, but you can get it from Wayfair. Wall art here is from Ross. The actual wall sconces are from Wayfair. I'll have, not Wayfair, Amazon. I'll have those linked. Then I'll step back. Coffee table actually is from, it's a TOV piece. And these vases here are from Zgallerie. I'm not sure if the gold ones are in stock, but I know the white and silver ones are. I want to get my hands on some of those white ones so bad. Maybe I'll get some before the summer is over. And I tucked this little thing here and here. This is from Hobby Lobby. And this little piece right here, I think this is from Michael's. Yes, that may be from Michael's. And I just have it tucked in there. So I'm going to pan on around this way toward the window area. I'm not sure if y'all seen these new drapes. A company called The Hues gifted me these. It was a collaboration over on Instagram. They're like an off-white. If you remember, I had black drapes in here, and for some reason, I think I like the black better. I think this color, it helped lighten up the space, but I think the black gave it more of a pop. It made it look more elegant to me, but I'll leave this up for a couple more weeks, and then I think I'm gonna go back with the black. Now these little picks here, these are metallic. You know, a lot of people is not fans of the metallic, but I love metallic. I love shiny stuff. I have 3 picks stuck inside of this vase, and this vase was gifted to me by Zgallerie as well over on Instagram. I have 4 of these drapes. I like them because it looks like the pleat is like made in them. Like even if I tried to get this pleat out of here, it's gonna go right back in there. And I have the 52 by 106. I think I'm gonna start going with the 102 length so that my curtains can like barely touch the floor. Cause I like the puddle look, but I think I like that clean look just a little bit better. So I'm gonna try that next time. And this wall piece here, these are plaques. It's 4 of them. Actually, it's from Ross. I get a lot of questions about my rods. My rods are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and you may be able to get them. If I can find them, I will link them as well. I'm going to step back. And my area rug, also from Wayfair. Now, let me tell y'all something. I am looking to change out my chandelier in this space. I want to go with something a little bit more bigger than that. Not sure on the color. I may do black because I don't want to do gold. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. We're just going to see, you know, how everything flows. I love my silver. I know I want to do silver for Christmas. That's why I'm thinking of going with a black chandelier. I'm not sure, but I know I want to do something different. Comment down below and let me know, what color chandelier do you think I should do? Should I just leave this one here since I'm going to be doing silver for the holidays? Or can I go with black? Or will it be too much black? Let me know what y'all think down below. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I need to get myself together and start doing videos more routinely. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.